Snoopy in Ginza 2025 Peanuts 75th Anniversary Special Event. Join us for an unforgettable celebration at Mitsukoshi Department Store in Ginza, Tokyo, as we honor 75 years of Peanuts with a special Snoopy-themed event. From exclusive merchandise to stunning displays, this event brings the beloved Charlie Brown, Snoopy, and the Peanuts gang to life in the heart of Ginza. Don't miss the chance to experience limited edition 75th anniversary goods, iconic Snoopy installations and photo ops, special collaborations and collectibles. Draw tomorrow. Be inspired by Snoopy's timeless charm and creativity as we look toward the future together. Location Mitsukoshi Ginza Store, Tokyo. Whether you're a lifelong Peanuts fan or new to the world of Snoopy, this is a must-visit event for all ages.